I will recreate what we have just seen in the video. As you know, contouring has been an on-trend makeup technique. But this time I'll do it the matte way. Before I'll do the contour, I already prepped Eliza's skin with a primer from MAC and a liquid foundation and lightly set it with pressed powder, all from MAC Cosmetics. Now I shall use the dark, deep, mineralized skin finish powder from the mineralized line, which is very good in contouring because it's very natural finish. I'll use a 1/6/8 brush or an angled contour brush, the perfect brush for contouring. What I will do is that I'll sweep just a moderate amount of the product on the hollows of Eliza's cheeks. That would be here. And my direction will be from the outside going inside. In swirling motion. So you see the slow building of product, giving Eliza that soft contour. Tap the brush gently, build the product from the inside going in, and from the outside going in rather. There, I work my contour in a circular motion. This brush is so perfect because it's angled. It really fits the hollows of the cheeks. I'll do the other side. So I build the product in a circular motion, and I end up just right below Eliza's eyes. So from the outside, hairline going in. And then, just to add some texture and some highlight, I love to use the cream color base in Hush. And I'll use the brush 159, the dual fiber brush, perfect for creams, liquids, and powders. I'll place this on the highest points of her cheekbones, so hollows of the cheeks for the contour, and here for the highlight. So this gives that contrast of that soft contour, making it pronounced, and making the high planes of the cheeks or the cheekbones pop out. I love this brush because it really is very versatile. I use it on blushes, on powders, and on cream. So if you see, I build the highlight. Keeping Eliza that glowing skin. Then before I finish everything, I mattify the T-zone with Studio Fix powder, which matches Eliza's skin tone. Tap it gently, focusing on the T-zone. And to complete the look, I use a clean brush, moving the contour up so that no lines are visible between the highlight and the contour. There you have it, soft contour from MAC Cosmetics. MAC Instant Artistry Makeup Skills in minutes. Please don't go away because we will show you another video. This time, we'll show you how to do the lips, and I'll do another live demo. We will just step down for a while, maybe 20 minutes, and then we'll do another live demo. Roll the video, please.